Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have an admin account and any unsaved files backed up. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Recovery. Alternatively, hold Shift while you click Restart from the Start menu to access Advanced Startup. You do this because Safe Mode requires a restart into Recovery to change boot options safely. Make sure to note any device drivers you recently installed. Those can cause problems and may need removal after you boot into Safe Mode. Once the PC restarts into the recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open Startup Settings. You will see a Restart button. Click it to present numbered startup choices. After the restart, press 4 for Basic Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with Networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with Command Prompt. This gives you control over drivers and network access. You select the variant, depending on whether you need internet or command line tools to diagnose the system. After you log into Safe Mode, run your diagnostics, Device Manager to uninstall drivers, anti-malware scans, or System File Checker to repair corrupted files. Once you complete fixes, restart normally from Start Power Restart so Windows boots with standard drivers. If the system still fails to boot, make sure to attempt a system restore or uninstall recent cumulative updates from the recovery environment. This often resolves conflicts introduced by drivers or updates. Keep notes of changes so you can reverse them if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.